Dear students, in this video we will try to learn how to check whether the point lies on the line or not. Point lies on the line or not. Without drawing the graph, a line is given like this: x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Now we are asked to check whether 2, 3 lies or not. Means whether this line contains this point or not, which means this is the line x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. They are asking, check whether this point will be on the line or not. If you draw the graph, definitely you will know that whether this point lies on the line or not. Now without drawing the graph, how to check? Just replace in the place of x and y these two. In the place of x and y, just replace 2 minus 3 plus 3. If you get 0, if you get a simplification 0, the point lies on the line. 3 minus 3, 0, plus 2 is 2, which is not equal to 0, which means 2, 3 does not lie on the line. 2, 3 does not lie on the line. Which line? On this line. Now check whether 2, 5 lies on the line or not. 2, 5. In the place of x and y, replace 2 and 5. 2 minus y value 5 plus 3. In the place of x and y, just replace 2 and 5. 2 plus 3, 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So 0 equal to 0. Therefore, 2, 5 lies on the line. Which line? X minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Four, 7 lies or not? In which line? On the same line. Now we will check whether this point lies on the line or not. In the place of x, replace 4, and in the place of y, 7. So 4 minus 7 plus 3 equal to 0. 4 plus 3, 7 minus 7 equal to 0. 7 minus 7, 0. So 0 equal to 0. Which means 4, 7 lies on this line. Lies on this line. How to identify many points on this line? So x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. I want to identify many points on this line. Simple. Shift this minus by that side. X plus 3 equal to y. If x equal to 1, what is y? 1 plus 3, 4. So y equal to 4. What is the point? 1, 4. If x equal to 2, what is y? 2 plus 3, 5. So y equal to 5. The point is 2, 5. If x equal to 3, what is y? 3 plus 3, 6. 6 equal to y. So the point 3, 6. If x equal to 0, what is y? 0 plus 3, 3. So y equal to 3. 0, 3. Means this is point A, this is point B, this is point C, this is point D. Likewise, you can find so many points. Infinitely many points you can find. Now, we will check the slopes. AB slope, BC slope, AD slope. If 2 points are given, slope formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2. So A 1 4, that is x1 y1, B 2 5, x2 y2. So y2 5 minus y1 4 by x2 2 minus 1. 5 minus 4, 1 by 1, that is 1. BC slope, the same formula. B 2 5, this is x1 y1. C 3 6, x2 y2. Slope y2 6 minus 5 by x2 minus x1, 3 minus 2. 6 minus 5 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. So BC slope is also 1. A point is 1 4, that is x1 y1. D point 0 3, this is x2 y2. y2 3 minus y1 4 by x2 0 minus 1. 3 minus 4, minus 1 by minus 1, cancel 1. So AD slope is also 1, which means the points A, B, C, D, the points A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, all the points lie on the same line, which means the points A, B, C, D are collinear. A, B, C, D are collinear. See, in the previous sum, we have checked whether the 3 points are collinear or not. The 3 points are collinear or not. In that first method, what we have done? We calculated 3 distances, AB, BC, AC. Of the 3, 2 distances sum equal to the third distance, that is largest distance equal to sum of remaining 2 distances. Here in the case of 4 points, how to say the points are collinear? Now you have to find 4 distances: AB distance, BC distance, CD distance, AD distance. You have to find 4 distances. Of the 4, one will be the larger. One will be the larger. Then the remaining 3 distances, if you add, if it equals to the largest distance, then the points are collinear. That method is a little lengthy. So instead of that, we do the alternate method. What is the alternate method? Instead of finding distances, better find slopes. If 4 points are given, find 3 slopes. If 2 points are given, just go to the previous sum. Three points are given, A, B, C. If 3 points are given, find 2 slopes, AB slope, BC slope. If 4 points are given, find 3 slopes, AB slope, BC slope. Here you can take CD slope or AD slope. If the 3 slopes are equal, then the points are collinear. The points are collinear. As I said in the definition of collinear, 3 or more points, they may give 3 points, they may give 4 points, or they may give 5 points. Then how to check? This method will be little easy compared to the previous one. Since 4 points are given, I found 3 slopes. All the 3 slopes are equal, so points are collinear. If 3 points are given, find out any 2 slopes of your choice. If those 2 slopes are equal, then the points are collinear, 3 points. If 5 points are given, A, B, C, D, E, if 5 points are given, find out any 4 slopes of your choice. If the 4 slopes are equal, then the points are collinear. I hope you better followed the 2 methods of collinearity. In the next video, we try to do the 3rd method, how to say the points are collinear, which will be little more easier than the first 2 methods. Okay, see you.